Mic check, mic check, mic check. Okay, I
Mic
think
check, mic check, mic check.
I think that might be too loud. Can you hear me now, yeah? Can you hear me now, yeah? Okay, I can hear myself as well. All right, cool. Let me just pause that. What's happening, everyone? Are we all good? All right, so today's Thursday. We've got initial jobless claims, PPI, crude oil inventories coming out. Yeah. So we're gonna see if we can actually get a continuation today. Let's see. I reckon the dollar. You can hear me, but with an echo. How bad is the echo? Is the echo still happening now? Not anymore. Okay, cool. Good. All right. So what's happening today? I mean, pretty much here. Obviously, guys, if you're new to the live stream right now, drop a like on the live if you haven't done so already. I'm pretty sure all of you guys that have come on have already liked it, so thank you. I appreciate the both of you. Also, guys, if you are new to the stream and you're watching this on replay, more of this content is provided inside of my free public Telegram. Link to that Telegram is in the description box down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe whilst you're down there. All right, so let's just get into today's live stream. Ritesh says in the chat box, markets are slow. Yep, markets will be slow. I mean, yesterday we had a pretty big offload, right? So there wasn't a liquidity grab. This is just price just absolutely following through, right? So a grab on liquidity is usually like a wick. So if we look at this here, right? So this weekly candle's low. See how it was a wick closure, and we push straight back up, right? So today, Mr. Jerome is speaking today, so markets will be a little bit on the slower side, but it doesn't mean that everything is just going to be completely dead. Initial jobless claims and PPI, they do tend to move the market, so we'll have a look at exactly what happens today. But again, I'm going to look at this daily imbalance area here. We've got a tiny bit of imbalance out of here as well. But eventually, you know, when we do start to see a pullback, this area here would be a very nice area to look for a pullback to then get a continuation higher. I did kind of expect us to wick above the highs and then drop, but that's just not what we're getting with current price action. You know, we might even take last year's high, which is ridiculous for the dollar. Like, it's ridiculous for us to actually take out last year's high. Then we can work inside this weekly / monthly imbalance sitting above. So I mean, with Trump in power, guys, I would not be surprised if the dollar potentially makes a new all-time high. Is it an all-time high? No, it's not all-time high. I wouldn't be surprised if the dollar actually pushes up and rivals these highs over here. Okay, so this was the high 2020, right? No, 2022. Let's quickly talk about gold before this PPI news strikes. All right, so we had an amazing short yesterday, right? Amazing short, but it's done now, so let's move on. Okay, right now with current price action, we do need a pullback, right? We kind of need to offload all this bearish price action. You know, I want to see something kind of like this, or it can be a pullback like or it can be this kind of pullback schematic here, right, where we actually slowly head up higher rather than the, you know, sharp retracement to the upside. But let's see what PPI does. We've now worked inside of another area of imbalance. Okay, so we need to have a look at what price is going to do from this level. We're currently getting a pretty decent reaction, so it's pretty good. Okay, on the weekly time frame also, there is a weekly imbalance sitting inside of that little zone there as well. How this week is going to close, I do not know. You know, this has been a lot more bearish than what I thought gold would do, you know, but we'll see what Jerome wants to say later on today. But I would be interested in looking for a potential buy today. Okay, we've got about 15 seconds till the news release, so let's have a look. Okay, I'm just gonna plot a couple of areas where price is currently respecting. Right, we've got 15-minute highs there, so there could be a potential picture where we take out the high and we pull back right into that imbalance, and then we can potentially target Tokyo's high. But let's just lie in wait. All right, news should be out now. Not seeing much from gold. Let's take a look at the dollar. Okay, we've seen a bit of a push up there from the dollar. Right, the dollar is working inside this 1 hour candle, so it can actually keep pushing from here as well. Let's take a look at EU or something. Yeah, Euro USD's also got a similar picture forming as well. GU. Alright, yeah, GU's also got a similar picture forming. Interesting. Alright. So guys, so far, so good.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm just gonna set some alerts. We might have to stream, you know, at Jerome Powell's speech, but to be honest, I doubt I will be streaming that because I'll probably go to the gym. What time is it? 8 p.m. Ooh, that's pretty late. All right. Okay, let's get off the Telegram for a second. Guys, if you are in the live stream right now, drop a like on the live and come say hello. Let's have a conversation inside the chat box. We've got Ritesh in here at the moment. Who else is on the live right now? Okay, yesterday we called out a 3% 120 pip move on gold live on stream. Obviously, that was also posted inside the Telegram. Link to the Telegrams in the description box down below. You can join us absolutely for free. Today we've got Jerome Powell speaking. Like, to be honest, can we get like a buy out of this imbalance area here? Do you know what I mean? don't know why that always does that. Okay, it's quite a big area. I mean, it looks pretty small. I'm here thinking it's small because it's on the 5-minute time frame, but from a glance, it does look pretty good to push up higher. From a glance. Right, we've had this push up here. We're just going to monitor price for now. What do you guys prefer? I'm going to put it inside the Telegram. Okay, dollar's continuing to push. Gold should be coming down, but it's not at the moment. Bitcoin might come down again. Bitcoin might play around here for a little bit, but it should be heading higher. G's dumping off. EU's also dumping off. Gold is not dumping off, but it's semi-reacting. That's a pretty decent drop there from EU. Gold's holding. It looks pretty good to push up gold. Yeah, it's holding actually pretty well. Okay.
Tower on the beat.
Dollar's still holding high.
Dance on the beats.
Yeah, gold's about to take out that high. I'm keeping an eye on the YouTube. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know inside the chat box.
on the beats.
Yeah, gold's rushing for that high there on the 15-minute time frame. Interesting. Okay. So pretty much this morning we had that push up higher and then a drop off lower into that daily imbalance. We've kind of just retested this 15-minute balance, but we haven't had any real break of structure or confirmation on the lower time frame to kind of tell us like, look, this is a very highly probable area. But kind of following the order flow, at least on this time frame, you know, we can see prices pull back here. We've had a push up. We had a couple of tests out of this candle as well, this eye candle here as well. Test before we finally go. We make that high there, we pull back and test into this 2-minute candle. It does look like a 1-minute area. Yep. So we get another test there, and then we kind of just continue. So okay. Let's lie in wait. Don't really want to see Bitcoin drop as low as it did already. Guys, what pairs are you looking at the moment? Are you looking at any pairs? Ritesh says gold doesn't know what to do in the 1 minute. Yeah. I think the 1 minute is pretty bullish though, bro.
Purchase your tracks today.
See now that we're taking out the high, if we get a pullback, we can actually get in for a long. Ritesh says in the chat box, I'm looking for gold and BTC. I mean, to be honest, yeah, for Bitcoin, you can get a buy out of this 1 minute, this 1 hour candle. If you get another pullback down, it is possible. We do have this area inside of here as well. Couple that with some hourly imbalance. I mean, it's possible. It's possible. All right, no trades just yet, guys. You're in a small buy from 90k. 90k, that's around here. Okay, let's see what you can do. Hopefully your stop is wide enough, because you know Bitcoin, you're gonna need a pretty big stop. Alright guys, I'm gonna probably call the stream there. I mean, a lot of you guys are saying that you prefer an evening stream, and maybe Jerome Powell is gonna bring a little bit more activity to price. What's my average stop on Bitcoin? I'd say about 200, you know. If I can fit 100 pip stop, 100 point stop on Bitcoin, I'll take it. But for the most part, it's about 200. So a little bit more than this one here. You know, you gotta just give it enough space. You gotta give it enough breathing room. Like, even when you look at this is what? This is like what, a 500 pip stop? 500? Doesn't even look right. That is a 50 pip. Yeah, that's a 50 pip stop. It's about 100 pip or 1,000 pips. But anyways, I think you get the point. Yeah, I'm gonna call the stream here, guys. I will catch you later on today. Whoop. I will try to get on stream for you guys. Yeah. If not, just keep your eyes peeled inside the Telegram. I'm gonna be throwing up some charts, some trades, if I can find any, and we can just go with that. Yeah. This is pretty slow. Even the initial pushes that we've had from most of the majors is just completely bouncing back and turning around. So we've got to come back to this for sure. Alright guys, peace, thank you.